Hi everyone, welcome. I just thought I'd take a little bit of time out from building the submarine. As you can see, I'm sort of surrounded by plastic. I'm gluing it and painting it and putting it all together. I just thought I'd take a little bit of a break from that just to show you what's arrived today in a packet from Jennifer at Scale Model Lights. You may remember a short time ago I showed you some pictures of the lighting that's going in the submarine, and I think you may have seen it on the first part of the submarine, on the last part of the submarine video as well. Well, I'm in the process of preparing part 3 of the video. That's what this is all about, and that's why I've got the camera on and I can just sort of set it up and give you a quick intro. Let's show you what's arrived in the package today and on the next part of the lighting. Right, let's go over to the bench and have a look. That's it. Right, here we are. Here's the little package. Now, you may remember last time I showed you these. These were just the little nano LEDs, or surface mounted diodes, just another name, and they're really good. So you've seen them. Right, I just need to take this off because we need this bit for the next demonstration. Right, what's in the box? Let's have a look. Right, we've got 5 of these. These are bicolor nano LEDs. We also have a little toggle switch, changeover switch, some connector blocks, and kindly from Jennifer, our little business card. I'll put the link underneath anyway, but there it is, smallscalelights.co.uk. so if you want to know any more of these, any more about these, that's the lady to speak to. Really helpful. If you've also got another model that you'd like to affecting the light there, if you've got another model that you want to put some lights into but don't know how to do it, drop the lady an email, tell her your requirements, and she'll work something out for you. Right, let's have a look at how these work. Now, as you see, take this one out. As you see, they are just the same size, or more or less just the same size as the last one. So the only thing with these, if you do look at them, they have actually got 3 wires up to them instead of the 2. So we'll put this to one side because the tiny one, don't want to lose it. And now I need to refer to my little wiring diagram that Jennifer's kindly provided on an email to me. So I've got that on the computer. So what we need to do is connect the black negative wire from the switch. Well, as it's a live return, but never mind, because switches are always live. So that goes in there. Now then, I'm testing my years of electrical apprenticeship and trying to wire these all together. So the next one is the red back from the light. So that's the live supply to the light. I'm sure if you go onto Jennifer's page, it explains all about how all these lights work and how diodes and LEDs, light emitting diodes, work, and how she constructs them for your needs. Right, now then, we have another connector block standing to one side. So we put these in here, and these need to connect up to the switch as well, because these are the changeover. Now then, what I'm probably going to do when I get round to fitting these in the model, I'll probably solder them together. It'll take up a little bit less room than the connector blocks, and be that little bit more secure, because these are really tiny wires, just just give them a gentle tug just to make sure that they are tight. See, it comes out. If it doesn't catch underneath the screw, it will come out. I've tightened it too far down now, hang on. God, probably Jennifer's shaking her head as she's watching this. Sorry. Probably my electrical journeyman is probably also shaking his head if he could watch it. But then again, when I was building submarines and ships in the shipyard, their cables were huge. Right, that's that one, I think. That'll do. Right. And now we just need to connect these in here. These are a little bit bigger because they come from the switch. Okay, that's them in there. I'm not going to tug them because I don't want to pull everything out, but that's how it generally wires together. It's something like that. It looks a little bit like the diagram and the photograph that Jennifer sent me. Right, so we turn the power on. Nothing happens because it's a center weighted toggle switch. So what happens now is that I'll turn this around just so you can see it in the shadow of my hand. And we go from, will it be red? Will it be white? It's red. See, it is red. See in there? We change it over. You probably see the colour change as it changes over. It's back to the centre and white. Red and white. Red and white. White and red. Ooh. Now, one thing that Jennifer did mention in her email to me, that red tends to be a little bit brighter or looks a little bit brighter than the white light. So what she's done in this magic black bit here, it's just not where all the connections are, she's actually put a resistor in just to tone down the red light and make it a little bit dimmer. So thank you very much for that, and that's it. So that's how they all go. I'm looking forward to putting these into the submarine. You don't have to do it yourself if you don't want to. You can just put white lights throughout. That's if you want to put lights in at all. But if you do, Jennifer at Small Scale Lights is the lady to see. Alright, there we go. Okay, that's it. It was just a quick video. I thought rather than just putting on my Facebook page, I've got some red and white lights. I'll do a little video for you, show how it goes together. So that's them, and thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for part 3 of the U-boat build, which is in progress now. That's why it was easy to do this little sort of tutorial, because I've got the camera and everything set up. So the part 3 of the U-boat build will be ready soon, and we'll see you all again. Thanks for watching, and thanks for looking in, and check us out and come back next time. Bye now. Turn it off now.